Hello everybody. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore really quickly the icons that show up under the banknote section of a banknote. The idea around this was to provide you, the users, with information without necessarily having to click on the note to go see the details, right? So I'll walk you through each one of the icons and what they mean. And hopefully by the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of what the icons mean, and you'll be able to use them for your enjoyment moving forward. So let's first start off with the first icon here that we see, which is a little lightning bolt. This icon just means that the banknote was updated or created within the past week. So it allows you to see which banknotes were updated, which are the newer ones, right? So that kind of gives you an indication. The second one is a UV images. So that one simply means that we've uploaded UV images of this banknote and they're available for you to view. So you see that the first one has one here and the second one doesn't have one. The next one, the ones with the little waves, that's the watermarks. So what this means is that this note has an image of the actual watermark. So really useful, again, specifically when you have variations with different watermarks. These pictures are really helpful to understand, to help you identify which banknote you have. The next one is a photo of the variant. So sometimes what we'll do is we'll add pictures of the differences between the different banknotes that really look similar, but little details here make them different. So that indicates that there's a variant photo. And then the last one is a YouTube video, which means that there's a YouTube video that we found online about this banknote that provides more information. So there's actually one more icon which you'll see, and it's this clock with the red. That means that this banknote is actually pending approval. So that means that somebody either created it or that they've added information, complementary information that was not present, and now it is required that one of our admins needs to go through it and approve this change. So basically, those are the icons that you will see when you're navigating on our site. And if I click on the banknote, right, we'll see that we had the UV icon. So the UV image is there. You'll see that we had a variant image. You'll see that we have the watermark. This is a polymer note, so there's no watermark, but sometimes we put it, we still put the transparency. And then there's a YouTube video that you could play and watch. So hopefully this helps you out. Maybe one last thing here, what do we have, is this little bug here, and that's to report a problem. So it's always easier if you find something that doesn't make sense, or a bug on a website, or some information that you feel is not correct. You could always write it in here, send us a report, and we'll look at it ASAP. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and yeah, I'll leave a comment if you have any questions. If you have any concerns, let us know, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.